Hello, guys. Hope everyone is good. Also, hope you all progressing in your trading. Guys, here's another trade breakdown on BTCUSD, Bitcoin USD. It's another nice trade. Um, Time and price. That includes time and price, where we see a nice liquidity manipulation during same session. Guys, it's an interesting one. It's a really interesting one. I'll continue. I'll continue from my first video, trade breakdown on Bitcoin USD. So I will put a link in the description below, and I suggest you start by watching that video before watching this one because I think it will be four trade breakdowns that follows one another. So I won't start from I won't actually do a top down analysis. I'll continue from the previous video, but these will be separate videos. So I will put a a link in the description below for each video. So guys, let's me show you a screenshot for this trade. This one, a redistribution, rather distribution. Sorry. At the time of this trade, I wasn't aware of time and price, so I just saw a nice price action. So I just did an analysis. That's all. But as I just started studying about time and price, and the more obsessed I get about it. Like I mentioned from my first video, never uploaded, that I will do a series of videos for my previous analysis. And it happens that during most of my trades, I think it's third or fourth trade, this one, where I just noticed, wow, nice. I was in a way I actually executed or analyzed this trade exactly during New York session. And this is after screenshots. A nice trade. So guys, let's get to the charts. So this was my overall accumulation, and I did a video yesterday on this trade breakdown to the upside, and this video I will do a trade breakdown on this distribution where I sold it at the top to buy it at the bottom because overall I'm bullish. But if I see a nice distribution, uh, I know I'll be sell it because of this demand zone, and unhealthy price action imbalances below. If the price really wants to continue to the upside. It's have I won't say it helps to mitigate, but to make sure that there's healthy price action, the market have like do not have to leave imbalances. So let's get to this trade breakdown, guys. I'll go to lower time frame. So lower time frame and explain why I saw an opportunity to be selling. So guys, I just saw this buying climate. This buying climate and this automatic reaction. And another thing guys, is just markings of each schematic. It's not that important. What is more important is actually understanding of the price. You may label like, but you have no idea. What is important is to understand the price, the behavior. Like people of pages said, markings are as much as they are necessary. I won't say they are necessary. Like they are, you may we may mark each schematic differently, but at the end of the day, the most important thing is to understand price action. So yes, guys, this is my distribution, and this is my creek right here. And you see it's a nice distribution, and you see this bearish order flow. And what I noticed when I was preparing this trade breakdown, you see, guys, New York open around this area. Remember, there are these equal highs and these equal lows. And another thing, guys, the price always have to start by grabbing liquidity on one side before going to another side. Remember, you see this momentum trend line and these equal highs. There's a pool of liquidity above because a lot of people they use this as confluence and this reversal pattern. Sorry, this reversal pattern. So they see nice confluence around here. And New York Open, what did it do? It manipulated this liquidity. And you see how aggressive this bullish move is. It's took all of the liquidity above. And remember, after the break of trend line, a lot of people expect to buy. And you see this hammer. A lot of people are buying at this point and they put their stop loss below. And look at this move later on the session. Look at this move. Always take notice if rather when the price is stripping the liquidity, it's always going to use momentum candles, so you won't get a chance to jump out of the trade. You will definitely hit your stop loss. So yes guys, this was a quick one on BTCUSD. You see guys, time and price, I don't even remember, I think this is my fourth trade breakdown on price and time. I'm going to recap. This is my distribution, my high time frame SOS accumulation. This SOS was a distribution, a nice distribution, and you see this bearish order flow. And another thing, guys, if the market really wants to go in the same direction and order flow, it's very important. And you see, New York opened around this area, manipulated this liquidity. These equalize in this momentum trend line and continue to manipulate this these break and retest traders and went straight to the downside. But you see that the price didn't break this bearish order flow as much as it manipulated this trend line, but it respected this bearish order flow and it continued to the downside. And this is a nice trade, a nice risk to reward, a nice trade. So guys, there are lots of videos, lot of trade breakdowns that I'm going to do. And from now on, I'm going to take notice of price action, rather sorry, of price and time. Nice. What I've noticed about the session so far, about time and price, when each session opens, it's always gonna take some liquidity. It's either it creates the liquidity and take that liquidity, or it's like they I'm so obsessed and excited about this concept. It's it's like they are a team. They are working together. They create a liquidity that will later on be manipulated by a following session. It's like they are in sync. It's magical, guys. It's exciting. And you see this bearish order flow, how the price created the liquidity. And it's in line with her time frame. It doesn't go out of its way. It creates that liquidity within a high time frame bias. Guys, man, this is interesting. This is interesting. I think this will be a breakthrough from my trading, because you may wonder, this guy shows have like nice trade breakdowns. How come he's not making money? You'll be surprised. Um, the fear of missing out, the lack of precision, Guys, I think time and price sessions will change my trading for the best. Yeah, guys, here's my trade breakdown. Hope you will enjoy this video. If you have comments, please feel free, or suggestion. Also, please join our free Telegram group where we'll discuss how to master craft. Hope you'll enjoy this video, guys. There are lots of videos to 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 upload. And another thing, like I said in a previous video, it won't be always picture perfect scenario. Sometimes the price just just do its thing. Not always every day you will see a nice delivery of price from one session leading to another session. So guys, see you on the next one. Enjoy.